Good morning, everybody. This is Mark, and we're back here for T3 Live. It's Monday morning, so we're still not starting earnings yet. New month, new quarter, beginning of October. Hopefully, you were able to capitalize at least on some of the moves last month. Decent moves. We don't normally get that in September on an uptick of any sort. We got it. Sort of, I think, caught some people by surprise, but we're now in for a new quarter, which we'll have to wait and see. Historically, October earnings season, good month for us, and back that in with that, you got the election, early November. I think we're in store for minimum some volatility, but I think some good trading across the board. This morning we gapped up a little bit, nothing to write home about, but 7, 8 handles, 17 handles on the Nasdaq. So I've been saying nothing has changed, but at the same time, charts don't seem like they're ready to necessarily shoot to new highs. They're repairing themselves, and the question is, are they going to have an L, U-shape bottom, or is it going to be a V-shaped bottom? Most likely it's going to be a U-shaped bottom, which means you're going to have a few days, possibly a week or two, as these companies start reporting earnings of consolidation, and then you see some ideally upward movement into new highs as we tend to get toward closer to the election. Some stuff that happened last week that I think we should be concentrating on, certainly Apple, 640, 655, it's up to 660, 670 this week. Ideally, wasn't a great week for Apple. I still think, everybody wants to buy it at 700, 704. This is the level you probably want to, dip your feet in. And this price doesn't mean you're not going to have to sit in it for a little while, because technically that doesn't say it's ready to shoot back up to new highs. But, look at key moving averages, the 50-day moving average, as possibly a key entry point, which is roughly around, I think, 657. It could be a little off. Google still looks great, still best in breed. Amazon recovered nicely, still best in breed. The banks this morning gapped up. Goldman Sachs gapping up. I've been in FAS in the swing, probably around 104, 105. I probably was in it, but it really hasn't been trading well. Now you have a little bit of a gap up. Hopefully tries to hold above 106, in my opinion. FAS 106, 107. Ideally work itself back to the 111, 112 range short term. Keep that on the radar. The banks, they did have a little bit of a pullback. Home builders are pulling back right now. Best in breed, strong sector. First real pullback I've seen in a while. Let them pull back to the key moving averages. That would be an opportunity, in my opinion, to take advantage of some of the dips that happen. I'm not that excited about the charts today, but at the same time, I'm still using the same mentality. A little more skeptical, understanding we're getting the overseas headlines back in the news, and it's starting to affect the market a little bit with Spain, Greece. But overall, I'm still trusting the patterns and trusting that they will work themselves to the upside. I've taken certainly a lot off. From a swing perspective, I'm trying to narrow the focus a lot more and be a lot more specific, and really take some cash flow trades for the next few days until I see this, correction that we're, semi-correction. It's such a minute correction that we're in. Try to recover, or at least show signs technically that we're moving in the right direction. So today, again, I'm going to concentrate on some of the banks: Apple, Google, Amazon. Been on the radar. And I've been trying to, these oil stocks, which have come down, 7 to 10 days in a row. I'm going to be looking to get involved with them. I'm already involved with PXD. APC doesn't look terrible. OIH is near key moving averages. So lagging sector, but it's something I'm going to watch, and we'll go from there. Good luck today. Be prudent. New week, new month. Be positive. I'll talk to you soon.
For T3 Live, and I would like to invite you to join us on October 6th and 7th in New York City for our first annual T3 Live Active Trader Super Conference. The 2-day event will focus on what we believe to be the 5 keys to being a successful trader. We will teach you the strategies, tactics, and mindset we take to the market every single day, and you will leave the Super Conference with a personal step-by-step success blueprint. Visit T3Live.com and click on the Education tab on the top of the page and watch preview videos of this event. Seats will fill up quickly, so be sure to reserve yours today. My colleagues and I look forward to meeting you. Have a great day.